So hey guys and welcome back to C Short. This is not daily uploaded but a short C tutorial series. In this episode we're gonna code some health to our player. Just go to the player and open up the player script. Once it's loaded, go create a variable. Make it a public float health. And maybe set it to 100 by default. Now go out from the script, go under our player, right click, go UI and slider. Set the canvas to screen space camera. And drag the camera in. Drag the slider down. You can customize the slider however you want. Click on this plus, drag in our queue, go back to the script, and write a function, just like that. And add the parameter as health. Write this debug into the function, and now go into the start and call the function. Change, and add the parameter as health equals health. And close it. We just set it up our thing, so if you wanna get notified about the next episode, make sure to click the subscribe button and like the video. Please.